positions in plan. Okay, the plan for S&P 500 still. If it goes up to 415, I'm gonna buy 3 to 6 month put spreads. Okay, if it just goes straight up. All right. If it doesn't, if it goes straight down, I'm going to start buying shares at 342, and then under 340, I'm going to start buying in the money calls. Okay. Actually, I thought about this before. I may start legging into shares at 360 ish. Okay. But most of the shares, I'm going to wait for 342. Okay, so I am making a slight revision to our buying program. I'm going to start legging into shares, long-term shares at 362 at the previous low. I'm going to start scaling in there, but most of the buys will happen at 342. I'm still going to try to buy in the money calls that are 12 months out under 340. Okay, that's my plan for SPY. All right, for the U.S. indices. What else? Oil. All right, oil. I mean, this is a decent place. I mean, if you really want to, if one were to be really aggressive, you could start buying puts or going short on oil here. I'm still gonna wait for that 110 and 120 zone, just in case if the dollar drops. If the dollar drops really hard, oil could go up to like 115, 120 zone. It could. All right, and so I am going to be patient on oil. Oil can make these huge moves, okay? It can make 8, 12% moves. So I'd rather be patient. I don't want to face a huge drawdown that's going to be very quick. So, in the end, it's all about risk management. So in the end, I still have the same plan. My plan is not going to change for oil. For corn, it doesn't look like it wants to come, but if it goes to 720, I will look to short. Now this has to happen in the next couple of weeks. It's probably not going to happen. We might as well just scrap that idea. What else am I in? Oh, today I added to FEZ shares or FEZ put spreads. I still have those. I'm still long the 32, short the 27. So this is a vertical put debit spread. I added some more to this. A very good price too. Also, we still are in our Dow Jones Industrial Average put spreads for October. Still long the 300, short the 290. This is the 300 290 put debit vertical spread. I'm still in EEM. All right. For the March 2023 expiration, it tightened a little bit. We're now a little bit in the profit. 39 puts, okay? Still in them, okay? Especially if the dollar goes up, all these could pay out. Still in FXI. All right, FXI, China is starting to get more and more of these issues with debt. Their state media is downplaying how much of those late mortgage payments may affect the market. Even Goldman Sachs coming out and trying to downplay the risks. I still think that's over leveraged, especially the Chinese real estate market is definitely over leveraged. So I'm still in our 31.26 puts, vertical spreads, long the 31 strike and short the 26 strike. Okay, I'm still in those. Oh, and I'm still in those small little September naked put longs as well. Again, UVXY still in. All right, I still think there's going to be one more wave of volatility. I have it for December. I'm long the 14, short the 24, long the 15, short the 20. So I have a 14.24 call debit spread and a 15.20 call debit spread on UVXY as well. So that is the plan. When do I start managing risks on my positions? Again, risk management is key. It's all about risk management. You can say whatever you want about the triggers, what you enter with, what TA do you use, what options data do you use, what macro data do you use, but all of that is meaningless if you don't have a sound risk management strategy, okay? It really is all about risk management. All right, your triggers could be really bad, but if your risk management is good, you can still profit. All right, it doesn't work the other way around. Your triggers could be awesome, but if your risk management is dog shit, then you're not gonna make money. Okay, I can guarantee this. Trading is a marathon. It's not It's not a sprint. Okay, always remember that, folks. Anyway, I gotta go use the other chart, the chart that has my Bollinger Bands. If the dollar closes under the 18-day moving average, I am out of all my risk-off options plays. So, you know, the FEZ, EEM, FXI, DIA, and my UVXY spreads, I'm out. If it closes under this, I am out. Okay. As far as just the FXI and EEM, so China related. EEM is emerging market, but it's got a very large Chinese influence. Has a lot of Chinese stocks in there. I think it's like 20% of it is Chinese stocks. So for this, if the Australian dollar closes over 6,903, I am going to get out of our FXI and EEM options plays. Okay, so those are the plays. Those are the indicators. Again, the indicators: Euro, USD, the dollar, and our junk bonds AD line. Okay. All right. So those are our indicators. I just showed you my positions. I just showed you also my risk management plan. Also my buying plan for the indices. Boom. Checkmate trading, high noon highlights. That's all she wrote. Okay. Any questions, comments, rude remarks? This is your time.